What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another basement from flooding by extending out their downspout. So let's get into it. Well, as you can see right here, looks like a long time ago somebody had ran a system. They even put look like the pool pump into it, so then that way they could backwash it. But guess what? It's no longer working or anything. So all this water just goes straight in there and builds right back up and overflows and then goes into the crawl. So we're going to go ahead and end up running this out. Slide in between all of these trees. Got to pull up these pavers, go under it, and go through all this grass. And we're going to stop right around here near the fence. So then the water can just build up, disperse out here away from the property. And he's eventually said probably going to put a garden or something back here. So it'll be extra water for it. So let's get started. And here we go. Everything is now completely dug out. This is also why it's a great thing to hand dig, because we would have never known that the well pump and everything connected to the sprinklers ran right through here, and definitely would have broke it. So that's another good reason why it's nice to hand dig things. Gonna go to the pavers. Here's the old line that they had for the backwash of the pool, but that's not gonna be used anymore because no one can trust what somebody else did 10 years ago. So now everything's dug out. We're gonna go ahead and cut the black pipe out, cut that downspout up some, pipe everything together. Just show you how it's gonna look like. Now time to pipe. Now everything is completely piped up. As you can see, we're starting out over halfway, basically almost downhill all the way to level. We didn't hit anything over here. Everything is perfect. Keep it going all the way down. We have to make sure we're under the pavers. We got it going, going. Over here, still downhill to level. Had to go under the main sprinkler line that goes to the well pump. Good thing we didn't use a machine, otherwise we'd have broke it. Goes all the way downhill to here. Still downhill to level. Everything comes down here to the mini dry well. Builds up. We got everything burrito wrapped, holes drilled into the bottom. The water's gonna come down, facilitate in when it builds up the mini dry well. Then it'll come up, overflow, and then water the yard over here. Now, time to backfill and show you how it all works. All right, and then this is how you test the system and also clean it out. Get the hose into the clean out. All the water's gonna go in, go down, make its way all the way down here to the pop-up. And the water's already made it here. Now it's building up the mini dry well. Once it builds up that mini dry well and maxes out, it'll start to build up, and as it's building up, it's also trying to drain back into the ground. But this is exactly how you end up running it. So then that way, when there's no more water and the rain stops, there's no more head pressure or anything to push the water up, then the water can safely and easily drain back into the ground to help keep the pipe empty and protect against freezing. That's exactly how you should run your downspouts out, and how you should end the downspout with some kind of mini dry well. Otherwise, the water will stay trapped inside the pipe. Now we just gotta wait for it to build up, max out, and overflow. And when the mini dry well maxes up and it builds up and builds up, then as you can see, the water comes out here at the end. In the rain event, this will actually be up like this, and the water will be flowing out everywhere. But now, the water will not be going into his basement. Water's gonna come out here, facilitate out, go all out here, and eventually he says he's gonna put a garden or something out here, so it'll help water all that. It's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard or basement or crawl space, by extending out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.